Benjamin, you gonna make another one? Do your legs too. Move your legs out too. There you go. There's Thomas just standing there. Come here, Thomas. Let's get it on video. So pretty. There's Thomas. Hi, buddy. What do you think of the snow, Thomas? Yeah? You like it?
Those are my footprints again.
Yep.
I put footprints on every bottom.
You want to say hi to the video before I turn it off? Wave hi at the camera. Say hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. You were just not sure about this, are you, buddy?
Hey!